Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lost Inferno Fire Dragon here, and today we are doing a product review of the Dspaie toolkit. I got this for Christmas, so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and open it on up. You're probably wondering what this weird key shape thing is, but it's actually not a key, it's actually a part separator to take the kit apart when you need to do if you're building and you mess something up. Next we have our, single bladed nippers. And then this is our there we go. Our extra hobby knives. And this is our pen holder for our hobby knife, which is very useful. And this is the pen for the panel lining ink. When you're trying to panel line and you have the ink reservoir next to you. Next we have underneath is our two carbon fiber boards with our stick-on sandpaper, our 3 sanding sponges in 800, 1200, and 1400. Oh no, 400. Great. From rough to fine. Our larger sanding sticks in 600, 800, and 1200. Our scissors for cutting out decals. Oh shoot. Hang on. Ah, shoot. Thought I broke them, but we fixed them up. Next in this little container is a glass file. It's kind of hard to tell, but that's where the glass file is for sanding. In its carry case, we have our angled, we have our straight tweezers and its case, and we have our angled tweezers for picking up decals. And the straight ones are used to apply said decals. And the knife can also be used to not only cut the bags open for the model kits, but also cut out the decals. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little review of the Dspaie toolkit. This is not a sponsored video by any way. I'm just doing this for my love of Gundam and actually wanting good tools for using for model kits, and do what you will, but this is my honest review of the toolkit. I've used the part separator for my build for the anime voice actor, and it's very helpful, and hopefully I can start getting ready to paint this soon, because the con is actually just a month and a half away now, and I need to try and get this finished before then. And hope you guys enjoyed the review, and this is Lost Inferno Fire Dragon signing off.